Hello everyone. This video will show you specifics on how to integrate ShopWindow with your YouTube channel. As any other social network nowadays, YouTube allows regular tagging, where you place your links to the products for free, and premium tagging, where you pay for tagging your products in a more evident way, which is called shoppable posts in the YouTube universe. Although ShopWindow supports both types of tagging, on this video we will be focusing on the regular one to customize your channel. Let's dive into it. We will assume you have already configured your ShopWindow account with a messaging channel to use with YouTube. Let's say WhatsApp. And that you have a catalog that is already populated with the products you want to sell. For starters, we will show how to tag individual videos with products you want to sell for a more directed shopping experience. For this, you first go to the catalog section and copy the link to the product you want to tag on your video. After that, you edit the video in your YouTube Creator Studio and paste the link into the description. That's it, you hit save and you are good to go. This option is even more effective if you have a YouTube ads account, so you can use your link as a shoppable post. Now, let's see what the customer experience is. The link we just pasted appears right there in the description of the video. As you can see, the checkout experience is a breeze, and you can keep your customers green and easily posted above the order right there on WhatsApp. At the same time, the order will appear real time in the order section within your dashboard. Now, let's see how to customize your YouTube channel, tagging it strategically with your shop window and catalogs. We head out to the account section and we copy the link to our shop window. We will open our shop window in a new tab so we can get the links to the catalogs too, which we will be using momentarily. Now we can go to our YouTube channel, hit Customize Channel, and for starters, we will place the link to our shop window in the About section for it to be visible anywhere for visitors. After that, YouTube allows you placing links on your header. For that, we edit the links. I'll just create them pasting the links we are interested in. We will start with the shop window one, and we might link different sections of the catalogs we want to promote to. Like this, we can place all the links we are interested in, corresponding to the catalog sections and products we see in our shop window. Hit done. And there you go. Now you have your YouTube channel customized with links to your products and catalogs and shop window. Let's see what the shopping experience is. There you go, the links we just created. We will visit the shop window itself. And as you can see, your audience can browse the catalog and the products in a very clean and easy way. Let's purchase some gloves. Again, Shop Window kicks in transparently to provide your customers with a super fast and smooth checkout and provide WhatsApp follow-up messages. Clean, simple, and elegant. We'll get the order on the order section within the dashboard. And that's all about it. Now you can easily start monetizing the media you produce through your YouTube channel. We will see you in next videos. Happy selling!